Do you want to block an application from accessing the internet in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you want to block an application from accessing the internet on Windows computers, here is how you can do that. Let's assume that you want to hand over your computer to your kid for educational purposes and your kid needs to read some offline books. On the other hand, your computer is always connected to the internet due to some reason. At such a moment, if you want to prevent your kid from accessing the internet via a browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge, this video will be useful to show you how to do that. Let's get started. Method 1. How to block an application from accessing the internet in Windows 11. To block an application from accessing the internet using Windows Defender Firewall, follow these steps. Search for the firewall in the taskbar search box and click on the individual search result to open the Windows Defender Firewall on your computer. Following that, click on the Advanced Settings option on the left side and click on the Outbound Rules. On the right hand side, you can find an option called New Rule. Click on it to create a new firewall rule to block the program from using the internet connection on your PC. Here, you can find multiple options such as Program Port, Predefined and Custom. You need to select the program option and click the Next button. Following that, you will get an option to block a specific program or all programs from using the internet on your PC. If you want to block one particular app, you need to choose the This Program Path option and click the Browse button and select the installer file. Then click the Next button. After that, you need to choose the Block the Connection option and click on the Next option. Now you will find three options or types of connections: Domain, Private and Public. You need to select all three options and click the Next button. Lastly, enter the name of your firewall rule and click the Finish button. Once done, you cannot use the internet on your selected program. To re-enable internet access, you need to delete the firewall rule. To do so, right-click on the rule you created to block the program from accessing the internet and select the Delete option. Method 2. Block internet access to apps on Windows 11 using CMD. To block internet access to specific apps in Windows, you can also use command prompt. Open CMD as administrator, type this command and hit enter. Here, replace AppPath with the actual path to the app. Method 3. How to block a program from accessing the internet using ProgCop. Blocking applications from going online is something that is possible by default in Windows via the Windows Firewall software. While you can allow or block a program using the Windows Firewall, using free tools like One-Click Firewall or ProgCop make things a lot easier. When it comes down to adding programs for blocking, click on the first icon at the top with the green plus sign attached. As soon as the program is added, it will automatically block right from the start. The user should see the application path, process name and state, which should say blocked in green. If you want to delete an added software, simply select the program you want to remove, then click on the second icon above with the red minus sign. Doing so should promptly remove the program from ProgCop in a timely fashion. The easiest way to unblock a program is to remove it, but then you will have to add it again if you need to block it. The easiest way to unblock a program is to remove it, but then you will have to add it again if you need to block it. With the two shield icons at the top, users can simply click them to block and unblock. That's it. The tool is quite easy to use, so it doesn't need anything that would complicate matters. The software doesn't work on its own because it relies on the Windows Firewall API to do its job. For more information, follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.